How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can watch replays in Asu. So in order to go ahead and register or save your replay first, you actually have to go ahead and finish a level. So basically after doing that, you will have a record right here. So as an example, let's go ahead and finish this quick level right here. Now it's only going to take a few seconds, I believe around 15 seconds to simply finish this level. And basically right after playing through the entire level, you will get your record right here. Now to watch this specific level, there's going to be the watch replay button at the bottom of your screen, or if you're on the song menu, you also have the rankings option for your personal records. You just want to navigate through the level or replay that you want to play, and from here you can then click on the button and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.